Morning. Okay, so I am going to do a little video on how to find the information you need to help you with doing your first real mini project for the Greek Curator Museum. Big project. You already did your flag, your city-state flag, which technically was a mini project, but it was kind of just a fun intro into ancient Greece. So if you go into your Google Classroom for history, so it's either second period, fourth period, or sixth period, you're going to go up to classwork, and you'll find, I've already opened it, but you'll find Ancient Greece Museum Curator Project. Click that one. We have already talked about this before. I've already showed it to you. And again, I have no idea what the student side of Google Classroom looks like when you press view assignment, but when I view assignment, it just gives me everybody's name and what you've submitted. For this situation right now, I'm wanting you to notice that I have uploaded in a different setting on Google Classroom the papers you need. Okay, so the entire project sheet is here, and that one is going to show you just a basic idea of each of the mini projects. So for this week, we're working on the map artifact, okay? And it just says select a political, physical. Those are two different things. Political is more of states, border lines, things like that. A physical map is more of the mountain ranges, the rivers, the oceans. You're kind of doing a mix of those two things with this project. But you're making a map of Greece, ancient Greece, from the History Alive page 248. I actually showed you in another video. There are other maps you can use online to help you with creating this map, so you don't have to use that one. But you are going to identify major city-states and bodies of water on that map. Again, in the YouTube video I created about how to make the map, I showed you examples, I showed you how to do that. But this is just another place for you to find information. Okay, you can also go to the Greek Curator peer review page that's here. That gives you a lot more of the specific that I'm looking for. So it's like a little checkoff list for yourself, okay? And I will see if I can find a way to make a bigger version of this for you for each one. But if not, come here and look for it. So you're going to make sure that the map has city-states labeled. Remember, the list of the city-states that I am requiring you to put on there are on your research page that you did for your flag. The list is at the top, and then I also want you to include Athens and Sparta on there because they're very important city-states that we're going to be learning more about later. Include the names of the bodies of water that are around Greece. Make sure you have as accurate of an outline of Greece as possible. That includes the top part of Greece where it ends at the top. So the bottom part in my mind is the part that's going into the water. It's almost like a big arm and a hand. Okay, that's kind of what ancient Greece looks like. To make sure you have a border on the top and then label what's above it. Map title, you need to have a title for it. So it should say Greece somewhere, or map of Greece or map of ancient Greece. 2+ art mediums is only going to apply if you do it by hand. So I don't want a paper pencil unless actually if that's all you have and you can just shade it in and it looks really nice, great. Try to maybe think about using greens and browns if you have paints at home that you want to use. If you have crayons or colored pencils, wonderful. If you don't have any art supplies and you want to do it on the computer digitally, you're welcome to use any of the digital platforms that you know to help you with drawing. And then we have additional attributes that you can add in. I would like for you to at least pick one of those. So a legend or a key, a compass, rose, and mountains, rivers, or lakes, okay? And it says hand-drawn, but remember, we're lifting those kind of restrictions for these things. So let me know if you have any questions. It looks like that is all we really need to know. We will talk together on Tuesday for quick questions, and then Thursday's our big day to talk about the map, give some ideas and examples. Okay, thank you so much.